Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through of this little blank journal that I've created. I've seen a lot of smaller journals lately on YouTube, and I just wanted to take my hand at trying one. It is a file folder that I cut down. It is covered, the back is covered in sticky backed velvet. The front is a digital print. It has a piece of corrugated cardboard. And then this is what they used to call a shoe clip. The ladies, I believe in the 1920s, would attach these to their shoe and as decoration. So I really love that. I've had it for a while and I've just decided I really need to use it. So I wanted to use it on this journal. And then it has just a little book plate. The journal measures 5 by 4.5. It has 3 signatures. The closure is a D-ring fastener with some velvet ribbon. It is basically a blank journal, but I felt like it had a French vibe, and so it has a little bit of ephemera in the journal, but all of the ephemera is removable, so you could customize it to how you really wanted it. If you didn't like the French theme, you could change it to something else. So I wanted to mention that, but let's go inside and see. Okay. The inside cover is covered in, again, the sticky backed velvet. I added this lace pocket to the front and also to the back. It has a vintage library card that you could write on. This pocket is just a library card pocket that I cut down. I added the velvet, and then I added this trim. I thought this trim looked very Art Deco-ish, so I wanted to add that. And then I just put in this little picture of the dress form, and you can write on the back. And then inside the pocket, I added a library card, and I just added Paris itinerary on there. Again, if you wanted it to be different, you could just take these out and put in your own. I'm not going to get that back in there. The signature covers each have a vintage small chandelier crystal. And then on the inside here, this is just some tea-dyed tracing paper. All the paper is tea-dyed. This is a little tag that I made and just included it. I love that dress form. And so let's see if we can get it back on there. Okay. And then it has dictionary pages. Any of the pages that I have are tea stained. This has a pocket. This is some ledger paper. And then just some plain, I believe that's just typing paper. This is a book page, and it is a little pocket. And this is just a tag that I added some metal rim tags to. The center of the signatures are all envelopes, and the one side is covered with the sticky backed velvet, and the other side is covered with the lace, and it's a pocket. And inside this one, I have just a small little digital print. You could take that and put that on the front if you wanted, or you could use your own picture or your own ephemera. And then this is just the back pages. They're the same. And then this is a little mini clipboard that I make, and it's just some of the cut off pages. And I included that here. It just clips on there. And then the back is just plain. This is just a corrugated cardboard and some ribbon twist paper with a digital, and there's a crystal. And then these pages are basically the same. I believe there's 12 pages in each signature and one envelope. And then here's the envelope here. This one is empty. I don't have anything in it, but you could put something in there. And then that's the tuck spot. And then this is the back pages. So a lot of room to write. This is the back of the signature, and I made a little belly band out of the velvet ribbon. And then this is just a digital print that I thought was beautiful and just included that. And then this is the last signature, and it's just a digital. And this is another library pocket. And on this one, I added just a little French visitor card, and then this par avion. And let's see if I can get that back in there. Okay, and then these pages are the same. And then here's this pocket. It has just a little digital print in there. And then the back. And the back pocket here, this is a tag that I made. And it's basically just a little fabric flip. It has some rhinestones on it. And then it has a place to journal on the back. And then it has a book plate that says, remember. So this will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I do appreciate your time and consideration. Thank you very much.